Then here we continue. Okay, as not too much time left, so I show people that if you have the gel at your home, you can use this gel machine to DIY the designs. Yeah, DIY many different designs. For example, if you have the copper wire here, then you can use it to make the twist wire like this. If you have the gel, it's like a way that's to show you how we play the gel. I fill in you for 30 minutes. Here. This one. Okay. So it's a way here make it not so much neat, but it's a way that's to make the twist wire if you want. And there's also the way for you when you want to make something spring in different sides. I think older customers see how I do, but new customer maybe didn't see it. Why did I never think of that? Yeah, it's just an idea. And this one, this is the thicker bit, and this is the thinner bit, and this is the 0.6, and we can use it for make the spring. Last time my gel machine power off. Today is with power, so I show you. Okay. So this way, then you can use it to make the spring. So this way to make the spring. This is a big spring. Yeah, it's a big spring we made. And it's a thinner wire, then you can use it to make the thinner spring. Thinner one, we use the thinner sides. Okay. Just to share with you. And of course, the twist, you can use this thinner wire, make the small size twist. Yes, make a jump ring. So this way, yeah, this way to make. If you are afraid that your hand be hurt, you can use a fabric to tie it here. Here I don't have a fabric. Yeah, you just wear a glove or use a fabric tie this part, then to move. Show us how to cut it to make a jump ring. Okay. Make a jump ring, I'm not so much advice use our dead soft copper wire make. If you want to make a jump ring, you can buy some half hard copper wire. Because dead soft is too soft, not strong enough. Or maybe use it to make some double layer jump ring, no problem. Single layer jump ring, it will be not enough strong. Or you can change to use the half hard steering silver or half hard materials. Okay, and here, see, cut the spring is like cut the jump ring. You use your plier here. Then when you cut, see, I show you the different these bits. This, do you mean this? This, or the bits, or do you mean this? Which, Tanya, and what's your question? So here we cut the this one is to polish the end of the earring hook, make it end round smooth. For the spring, this one use this spring we use for making the design. For the spring, this one first you can make for a jump ring. This way you can see my plier this, and when you cut, you see I cut it. I'm not cut on this way. I cut let the cutting plier go opposite than here. It's jump away. Okay, so I cut a new one here. Cut, then cut. So you see this jump ring is come perfect. Why I said it's come perfect is this way. But if I'm not fix the top, here I fix it. If I just cut it this way, you see here the end is not so much flat. It's with how to see, you understand what I mean. Compare the two jump ring. This with point, yeah. So you need to use this plier that's to fix. Okay, so why does I cut it when now here is neat, then I will be cut here. So it's neat, very nice, yeah. So this is the way to cut the jump ring. Okay, except to use this way make your own jump ring. Another way that's to use for this spring. Okay, this way, then it's come out a lace design for, you can make it to some flowers, yeah. The way that's to make the flower, or make it this, make the earring this one, or make the earring here. This why I wrap it so neat. I not wrap it by round plier. It's all made from the spring. Yeah, it's made from the spring the way. Got it. It's made by this way to make for earring. Is this